Hey Eduardo, this is Melissa. I just wanted to take a minute and send you over that video we talked about just giving you some tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence. So it doesn't look like that you have a website, or if you do, I couldn't find it. But I do see that you have a Google My Business page, which is really good. So some ways that you can make this a little bit better is you want to have at least 25 Google reviews on here. And also, I would add at least 10 to 15 pictures. And then, obviously, if you have a website, that would make you more relevant as well. So when you go over here and Google floor installation Jacksonville, so all of these guys up here, these are the paid advertising. And then when you scroll down a little bit, this is what's called the map pack. So these are all the Google My Business pages, like what you had. But these top three guys. That's where you want to be at, because people don't typically go to the next page, hit view all, go through all the extra work to get to that next page. So you really want to have at least 25 reviews. As you can see, they have 204, 78. That's what's getting them to the top of this page. So if we go down a little bit, these are what's called the organics. So if we click on this first guy here, Precision Flooring. So here's his website. So it looks pretty professional. It has a lot of content. So Google has what's called crawlers. So they go through and they look at all of the relevant content that's on your page, and that's what's really going to drive you to the top of their search engine. So I have this software program called Ahrefs. So let's go and look at their website. So looking at this, they have 27 people a month coming to their website organically without any type of paid advertising whatsoever. That's just from the content on their website, using the right relevant keywords. That's really driving them to the top of that search engine page. They also have 150 of what's called backlinks. So backlinks are any website, article, or blog that's going to refer people back to your site. And you want to make sure that you're not getting any spammy backlinks as well, because that could actually give you a negative effect in Google's eyes. They actually they look at what content that site is coming from as well. So man, if you just get yourself a simple website with some good content, get some more reviews and some pictures up on that GMB page, I think you'd be in good business and you'd be really competitive with all these other guys. I hope this helped you out a little bit, and please let me know if I can give you any help at all to implement some of these tips, and leave me some feedback. Thanks a lot.